Right.
Sharp.
Thoughts about the game?
Yeah, I think the game didn't go well as anticipated tonight. I'm a man who thought, obviously, Mamelodi Sundowns were gonna steal 3 points, but unfortunately, the pocket that came dry from Cape Town or from the Western Cape, they're now full. Because for me, even if it's a 1-1 stalemate, but Stellenbosch have won the game. Coming from behind from Mamelodi Sundowns, it's a win. I think Stellenbosch strategy were very good. From trigonometry, I would say geometry played football than football itself in the middle of the park. Why do I say that? I think tan theta was way bigger than -1 today, whereby Stellenbosch stole the point. Because checking till the 82nd minute, Sundowns were owning the game. But we didn't know that Rev was going to give a soft penalty. I'm a Buccaneers fan. But there was still a cover behind Ndamani. And for me, that was a normal tackle, you know. But a normal tackle that gave Stellenbosch a point. And now the happy people back in Orlando, they're very happy, they are from my side of football as a fan. But I believe Sundowns should have won the game. They created more chances, and they were very good in the final third. It's just that chances were missed. It's part of of a football game. But Mamelodi Sundowns, they still need a very compact team to stop them. Stellenbosch tried, gave Mamelodi Sundowns a good game. They got a penalty, they equalized. It's back to drawing board. But for Mamelodi Sundowns, I think they must take the positive out of the game and work with the positive than the negative, because they played wonderful football. They managed the game better. Their substitutions were right. The likes of Tambazwane, Brian Leon put more pressure in the up front. But it's unfortunate that the result doesn't say the same language, or the result doesn't speak the same language if I have to put it in a correct English. But for Mamelodi Sundowns fans, it's not over yet. It's not over. It's still going on. Like I said on Amafen's Way to TV, that there will be helicopter flying with the trophy of the PSL Premier League title. There will be that flying over us, over our heads, over the stadiums. It can't be decided now. But Mamelodi Sundowns should take the positive out of the game. They were well-versed a team more than the Stellies. Ngiyabonga bro wami, sober analysis.
Okay.